Welcome back to Emilee's Paper Caper. A lot of people are starting their 100-day projects. Last year I did a 100-day project and I thought it would be fun to reveal what I did. I combined with index card a day and decorated on 3x5 index cards, one per day for 100 days. I'm a longtime scrapbooker and paper crafter, so I used a lot of my paper crafting supplies, stickers, rubber stamps, paints, things like that. And I thought it would be fun just to show you all the cards. They fit perfectly in this vintage recipe box. So they're for safekeeping here until I decide that I want to use them for another project. I might add them to a junk journal or a scrapbook page, even a card. This one was done on July 4th, so I did fireworks. Here's some rubber stamping and painting. I love to zentangle. This one is some stamping and doodling and a punched shape in the form of a hummingbird. This is some stamping as well. More zentangling and some letter stickers. I called this one Trial and Error because this was a new zentangle pattern that I was learning, and it was definitely a process of trial and error. These are rubber stamps that are fussy cut. Sometimes I oriented my cards vertically, which was a fun source of variety. I went for 7 days in a row. I did red, orange, yellow, green, blue, just having some fun with color selection. And then I did a paper scrap rainbow. This is day 15. Had some fun with some torn paper scraps and just freehand cut some cacti. This was from a wrapping paper. It's fun to go back and look at these. I haven't looked at them for a while. This was done for my birthday, and I counted out exactly the right number of candles. They're stamped and then fussy cut. This one, I guess, is actually oriented vertically. These little aliens were cut out of some product packaging. This is day 48. We're about halfway through. I had a lot of fun with sticker art and putting like stickers together. This one has lots of star stickers. This was cut out from a coloring page. This paintbrush is cut out of a magazine. So I look forward to seeing what others do for their 100-day projects. The index card was the perfect size for me. I leaned into zentangling, using paper scraps, washi tape, stickers, rubber stamps. Just had a lot of fun. And I may try to do this again sometime. Or I may make a junk journal specifically for housing these cards. It was a really fun and rewarding process to do this.